Hey everyone, Adam here from Bold Logic doing another market analysis video for you on this Monday night, this long Labor Day weekend. I know I've enjoyed it, got my relaxation in. Hopefully everyone else did too. But now we must prepare for the week. Looking at the S&P, the main market, we still got the series of higher lows and higher highs forming here. The stair-step action getting pushed up. As you can see, last Tuesday we tapped the underside of this upward channel and that started our sell-off. Now we're stuck in the middle. Right now we're still in no man's land. We've been chopping pretty much this whole August. A lot of low volume, low volatility days. For the bulls, we're looking for a case of continuing our consolidation, holding this 1397 level, maybe even coming down here to this 1390 level before making our way back up to new highs, breaking these multi-year highs that we set in last Tuesday. Even for a bull case, we can still see a tap down here at that 1380 level. It's just a small pullback from where we are now. We have that rising 50-day moving average coming up with a rising channel here. So that would be a strong support and a very good strong case to load up on longs and really start swinging them. Obviously, bears just want to see a straight breakdown. They're going to have to break down through the support. Again, this is going to be main support, so they're really going to have to try to push through the support if they're going to have to break it down. Russell has been holding up a little bit better here. As you see, the volatility in the Russell has been a little bit stronger than the S&P. Small caps have been running a little bit more. What we want to see here is just a tag out of this 819 level, and that's going to put us at least a run back up into that 832 level up here. That's going to be a strong case for the bulls. The bears are going to have a hard time, especially with that 20 to 50 and the 200-day rising moving averages coming in here right above this lower channel line. Looking at the VIX, we got a nice steady climb on the VIX all the way up into the Jackson Hole speech, which was on Friday, done by Ben Bernanke, our Fed chair. So we had a nice rise in there, even though the volatility in the market stayed low. So that's where that was coming out of. VIX is still at a nice average here. With the volatility we've been getting, it's actually running pretty expensive here. We need to see a lot bigger market moves to actually warrant a 17 on the VIX. The way the market's been moving, we're happy we're not seeing a 10. Looking at the NASDAQ, we're seeing a lot stronger case for the NASDAQ. Definitely looks like this thing is ready to break out. It's holding the support down here in the 3030s. Look for it to take out the 3090s. You could thank Apple for this. It's been on a nice tear, making new all-time highs. And you can also thank Google. Same case, making these new time highs. Google looks like it's ready to break out again. So definitely the NASDAQ has been holding up a lot better. Going into next week, we need to take a look at our economic calendar. As you see, Monday we're closed. That's today. We've got a pretty light week, some manufacturing numbers and productivity. All up until the employment situation on Friday. That's going to be the big one here. Look for volatilities to rise again into Friday, at least I would assume. Besides that, it's a pretty light week. Typical jobless claims number and employment numbers, but the employment situation on Friday is going to be the big numbers for us going into this week. Everything else should be pretty quiet, pending any news coming out of European nations. Again, we want to keep this bottom boundary here on watch, that 1380, 1390 level as it continues to rise. That's going to be our real bottom point. That's going to be the time that we really want to load up on the longs and see if we can't swing something back to the highs. Again, it really looks like the market is in the favor of the bulls right now, and the bears are really going to have to make up some groundwork if they want to take control of this market at all. All right, everyone, have a good week. We'll be back tomorrow with another market analysis. Make sure you check out our weekly watch list. It's full of a great bunch of charts, both long and short for you.